I do have my cheat days sometimes, but I do love to eat some greens and definitely go to the salad bar for sure.
Yes, I always try to eat my proteins, my carbs, and my greens too.
I am. I'm really health cautious, so I usually try to pick some of the healthier foods at the grocery store instead of buying a lot of snack foods. Some of my favorite research for healthy foods are going on Pinterest, and I'm actually an Herbalife consumer, and I drink 2 shakes a day just to make sure I'm getting all the vitamins and minerals my body needs. So yes, I'm very health conscious.
I do take steps to be healthy. I try to be conscious of what I put in my body, and I try to work out regularly, even though it's been hard with my crazy class schedule. But I do go to the rec on campus, which is free to all UTSA students, so I try to do that a couple days a week.
I do not. I actually try to, but unfortunately I never make it to the rec or any sort of gym, so no, I don't. I'm pretty bad about it.
I do work out on a regular basis. I actually work out 4 or 5 times a week at the UTSA Rec Center. I do like legs, cardio, upper body, lower body, basically everything, to be honest with you.
Eating right, exercising, getting regular checkups.
All right, so we're going to look at resources available to UTSA students. So the first thing we have is our rec center. So the rec center is completely free to all UTSA students. All you need is a UTSA card. So we're going to go down to stay active, and then we're going to click on facilities. Now we're going to scroll down again and go to recreational wellness center. So this is the UTSA Rec. And UTSA Rec offers group exercises to those individuals who love to work out but don't like to work out by themselves. I'm just going to click on that, and then we're going to scroll down, and here on the left side we have the group exercise schedule. So within the group exercises, they offer cycling, yoga, body blasts, and different other exercises available to students. Another good resource we have is our Fit on Demand and Demo Kitchen. So Fit on Demand is basically a place where you can schedule your own private class or private session with an instructor. Oh, I can't talk right now. And these are just the prices it costs, and basically the different silent classes. So this is going to vary in price depending on which class you want to do as a private session. And next is my personal favorite, the Demo Kitchen. Now the Demo Kitchen is free, and you get to cook and learn different meals that you probably didn't know how to make before you even went to that session. But anyways, who doesn't love to cook and who doesn't love to eat? Now in these demo kitchens, there is a nutritionist that will be there, and that person will basically go down the guidelines of how different items that we're cooking add nutritional value to your body. And they also give you information on alternative or substitutional items that you can use to substitute different items that you probably cook on a regular basis that are not very healthy to healthier options. I don't know if that makes sense, but you get what I'm saying. And next we have our health clinic. Now a lot of students don't know that they have this option, and I'm just clicking health clinic into the search bar because I honestly don't even know myself how to get to this without putting that in the search bar, but that's okay. So we're going to click on student health services, and this is just the student health service website, and I'm just showing you what it looks like so you know that you're in the right place if you do this for yourself. So we're going to click on services. Now the UTSA clinic does offer different services to you. Unfortunately, it's not free, but it only costs $5. So that's a lot cheaper than going to a regular provider or health provider that's not UTSA affiliated. And they offer immunizations, they offer medical care, women's health services, a lot of different things. So it's not limited. Then we're also looking at health education. Now these are health services and programs that UTSA offers to students. Now this right here, this is free. And your identity is completely confidential, so no one will know that you had a discussion with a health educator. Now, the next thing that UTSA offers is health resources. So these are just the different health resources provided to students, and it just gives you an outlet on or a website where you can go and look up different information on different common health problems or health topics that people in general face. And they also added on a recommended website so you can dig deeper into those health problems or health topics. And lastly, we're going to look at dental services. Now, a lot of people don't take oral health serious, and oral health is the most essential component of having a healthy life. If your mouth ain't right, how is your body going to be right? I'm just saying. But anyways, dental screenings are absolutely free. And with dental screenings, they offer an examination of your mouth, gums, and teeth by looking for signs of infection, cavities, disease, receding gum line, or oral cancer. So as a UTSA student, it is very important to take care of your mind, body, and soul. As college students, we face multiple risks concerning our health. The health behaviors we engage in now can affect our bodies in the future. So let's take a stance now on being